You enter and exit just because we don't want any of the birds to accidentally escape. We want you to stay on the path at all times just because we don't want you to accidentally step on any of our dogs. And they will be walking around your feet. So we want you to wait until they're done crossing the path in front of you before you guys go any further, or just walk around them. The zookeeper here will also direct your feet a little bit. We also have our blue and gold macaw out as well. She does not like sound that much, so we want you guys to keep your inside voices around her. She'll think that you guys want to take her territory, and then she gets really scared. Yeah. And just to let you guys know, we have another sloth in here, Beanie. She just arrived last week.
The new one.
Yeah. Yeah, so she's really cute. She's a lot more brown than Liana is. And then once you guys enter, you'll see her on your first left. All right, and we're just gonna wait until the next group exits. I think they did already. Yeah, sorry. Okay, there they are. Watch out. All right, and once they leave, we'll let you guys in.
And there's gonna be are these has to be something. Is she sleeping? So there's like ducks. There's one over there, like eating. And there's like a little house like over there. There's like so many rocks. There has to be like something. There has to be something inside. Oh my god. That's the biggest one. Rabbits. They're like swimming. So I believe this is like pool or something. Oh. But there's like ball pits everywhere. There's so many areas over there. I believe that's a turtle. Kind of looks like. Can they actually escape? Or probably. Are you seeing a real over there?
You started?
Okay, we're heading. So we made it back out.
All right, keep walking. Austin, stay on the path, please.
And I'm getting the whole thing on video. Probably this is going to make more like a 5-minute video. Or where should we go next?
You can pick where we go. That's the first one going down there. And
Grassland.
Alright.
And there's a bird. Oh, I see them over there. And they're going to be. Okay, I see the others on the
what's doing this? I know we can kill him now. We've got to go through it.
Oh my gosh, it's twinkle.
Want to go sit on our bench?